In a beautiful village lies a tale of resilience, perseverance, and indomitable human spirit. There lived a girl named Elara. Her story is about facing tough times but never giving up. Her journey shows how she overcame challenges with the help of her village and the beauty of nature around her. From sadness to success, Elera's story teaches us that even in hard times, there's always hope if we stick together and never lose faith. So let's dive into Elera's tale and discover how she turned pain into triumph. In a cozy village, there lived a girl named Elara. Her life was like a roller coaster with lots of ups and downs. Elara's story started sadly. When she was very young, her mom and dad passed away, leaving her all alone. It was really tough for her and she felt lost without them. But thankfully, the people in her village were kind and took care of her. As Elara grew up, life got harder. Money was tight and sometimes there wasn't enough food to go around. Elara had to work really hard helping out in the fields from morning till night. It was exhausting, but she did it with a brave heart. Then, just when things started to look a bit better, a big problem came up. A disease spread through the village, ruining all the crops. Everyone was scared and didn't know what to do. But Elara didn't give up. She worked even harder to rebuild what was lost. When the blight hit the village, Elara sprang into action. She gathered everyone together and they came up with a plan. They decided to try planting different kinds of crops that could handle tough times better. Elara led the way by working hard in the fields every day. She showed everyone how to plant the new crops and take care of them. Her energy and determination rubbed off on everyone, and soon they were all pitching in. But Elara didn't stop there. She encouraged people to start small businesses like making crafts to sell at markets. This brought in extra money to help the village get back on its feet. Elara also reached out to nearby villages for help and support. They shared resources and ideas which made a big difference. Thanks to Elara's hard work and the efforts of everyone in the village, things slowly started looking up. Fields once barren now teemed with life, and the laughter of children echoed through the streets once more. Elara's determination and leadership were key in rebuilding the village. Her story inspired everyone, showing that with teamwork and perseverance, even the toughest challenges can be overcome. The story teaches the importance of staying strong in the face of hardship and finding hope even in the darkest of times.